Hey guys, Harrison Bonner here from Wollaston Real Estate Investments here on a Wally Friday for you in Lowell today at our 6-unit rental property. As you guys can see behind me, we've crossed a huge milestone. We've got some sheetrock going up. So that means over the past couple of weeks, we have passed our framing inspection, our insulation inspection, which finally gives us the go-ahead to start putting up our sheetrock and prepping for all of our finish work. So as you guys know, if you've been following this project for a while, you know that we had to do a lot of work beyond our original scope of work, which caused a lot of project delays and a lot of headaches along the way. But this is a huge milestone that really puts us over that huge hump that hill that we were working to climb. So now it's on the downhill, and you really see these apartments start to take shape over the next month with our doors and trim going in right after this, as well as cabinets and flooring, and these apartments will really start to come together. So thanks for sticking with us over the course of this project. We're really excited to get this refinanced once we get tenants in here and get this stabilized into a long-term cash flowing rental property for us. So thanks for hanging around also for Wally Friday. Come back and check this property out in about a month with us, and you really see these apartments come together. We'll see you guys then.